Assalamualaikum and very good day. Okay, for today we have only online, asynchronous online class. So, what you need to do is just read the notes. Okay, I have uploaded the notes about camera lens. Okay, it is about how we categorize the lens based on the something that you need to read on your own. Okay, and then you can do internet research through Google or ChatGPT to gain extra information, and then you need to answer this question inside the online. Okay, the deadline for our activity is 11:59 tonight. Okay, and then your submission will be considered as an attendance. Okay, I hope you will submit your assignment because this is very important as your attendance. Okay, that's all. Good luck and see you later.